Here are 5 online reputation management tips for executives. Number 1, set up Google brand alerts. If you don't have Google brand alerts, something negative can be published about you anywhere on the web and you'll never find out about it. So make sure you have Google brand alerts for the exact keywords, your name, first name and last name, and any other combinations you want to check out. The second thing I recommend you do is build a Google Knowledge Graph. Gone are the days where nobody knows who you are, they can't find you on the web. If that's the case, you're going to look a lot less important. So my recommendation is to try to get a Google Knowledge Graph. You can't guarantee it, but the truth is you don't need a Wikipedia to do it. You can build a Crunchbase, you can build a personal website with something called FAQ schema. You can also issue yourself IMDb credits, film your own video, write your own book. Do that, connect it together, get Google Scholar, for example, and then you can have that knowledge graph, which is this little side panel that I have for my own name, for example, straight on Google. The next thing I recommend you do is proactively publish positive content all the time. This is going to be a total game changer. I'm talking about author LinkedIn posts, author Medium posts. Make sure that you have content coming out about your industry, and that's going to create more contextual links about who you are and what you do. Next tip, figure out what medium works best for you. Maybe it's video. Maybe it's doing this. Video works best for me. I make a video. Our writers then go and create articles about the video that I made. They embed my video. We disseminate that content. Maybe you want to write and somebody else does the video, for example. But my recommendation is find out what that medium is and then en masse create the content, distribute it. It's going to build a bigger brand for yourself. And the 5th tip, create engaging social media content. These organic algorithms, you don't have to put any ad spend behind it, but you do have to follow the formula. That means practice some videos, see what works the best in your industry, and then replicate the highest performing videos. Those would be my 5 tips.